Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will decorate this headband. Let's start. I still don't know how our end result will look, but I prepared crystals in gray, clear and black. I took black onyx stone as I really believe in energy of the stone, so I really like to add gemstones to all my jewelry where it is possible. As well, you will need scissors, thread, needle, some seed beads. I have in size 13 and 10 check seed beads. I have these small leaves. I don't know yet will I use them or no. First of all, you need to measure around 5 centimeters from the beginning of our headband, from both sides. First of all, secure your thread, not from the beginning but a bit up, and your thread should be double. Make sure that your thread is not going out from your headband, just cut it a bit more, and we start. Pass your thread to the beginning. Take one seed bead, crystal. I would suggest to start with small crystals. And sew it on. I like when my headbands are very full, so I will just sew on my crystals next to each other. Space here is limited, I will just add some seed beads. As well, I will add seed beads in between the crystals where the gap is very small. Here I think I can add my leaf. For it I take a leaf, I take a seed bead and I pass into the leaf again. This way. Here I will add a crystal. I will take clear crystal. On the top I will add a seed bead, black seed bead, as my thread is black, and I will enter to the crystal only. I will pass one more time through my leaf, this time a bit further up. I will add 2 more seed beads, even 3, and I will enter to the leaf again. Like that, our leaf will be more attached to our headband. Now I will take another crystal. Then I will take a bigger crystal, but before I will add one seed bead, then crystal and one more seed bead to hide my thread from both sides. I will sew it in this way. Here I will add crystal with seed bead on the top. And I will go out between our leaf and crystal. Here I will add black onyx. With seed bead on the top. This time with gray seed bead, and I will enter only in the black onyx and to our headband. I will go out next to the crystal. Basically, you just sew on all your crystals and beads how you want. If you see your crystal is not attached properly, you can just enter again through the crystal. You just go next to the crystal and you enter to the crystal. Pull and enter to the headband. Big elements is always better to sew on 2 times or even more. Now it is attached. I will take another crystal and will continue to sew my crystals to the headband. In the small places I will add seed beads. I really like when in my works there is almost no fabric visible, so that's why I will fill in all the gaps with seed beads and crystals. I will attach one more time my big element, my black onyx. I will pass again through it to attach it better. And I will continue to sew on crystals and seed beads. When you decorate your headband, try to find different shapes and sizes of crystals. As more sizes and more shapes you have, more interesting your embroidery will be. Be very careful with the threads. I like what kind of design we have. Now I need to repeat it. I mean that I like when my elements are from different sides, so I will just add one more leaf here and I will continue to sew on my crystals, trying to repeat this pattern. I will add 2 seed beads here, pass a bit further here. Now I will add one more crystal. And from the side I will add some more seed beads to cover our fabric. I continue to sew on crystals, seed beads and stones. Take our big crystal and sew it on, and then I will pass straight with the seed beads. Three seed beads of size 13 enter to the crystal, pull, 3 more, and sew it on to our fabric. On the bottom I will add seed beads, and from this side I will add some crystals. Now black onyx. Continue to sew on crystals and seed beads. When your thread is short, secure it and take a new one. Secure your new thread and continue to sew on crystals. Hide your knots behind the crystals. Continue the same while you will finish your headband. We are about to finish our headband. I have mark here. I will sew on some more crystals till this line, and I will secure my thread and cut it. I will add some more seed beads in between the crystals and on the sides. I mix black with gray, black seed beads with gray. I pass with my thread in my embroidery. I go a bit up, then just make a knot inside your embroidery. Again, pass a bit further up, and I will create one more knot here, and I will cut my thread. Our headband is ready. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and soon you will create your own beautiful headband. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any questions. Have a nice day!